Yeah, and then the NYC panel was pretty fun. Yeah. Oh yeah, speaking of, so I was walking around with Gigi, and then it's like a bird just pooped on my bag. Made me so angry. Gigi was with me? Of course Gigi was with me. Like, did the panel together. So, of course, at one point we'd be hanging out. But, yeah, the bird pooped on my bag. But, you know, the funniest thing is... It's not funny, because I was really angry. But the funniest thing is... It's not funny. But the funniest thing is that... didn't poop on my hair, it didn't get on anywhere except my bag, and that bag was really nice. And how dare you poop on my bag? I'm so angry. And then, like, I always had this fear that a pigeon might poop on me, so I would always be careful, like, you know, flying, not flying, what am I, yes, fly, I do fly sometimes, but like, you know, like, I don't want to be underneath the pigeon as it flies. But then that one day I let my guard down because it didn't happen before, and then I try to reach for my bag, and then my hand is covered in poo, and I'm so angry. I'm like, huh? Like, what is this? And then I look down, and there's poop on my bag, and now there's poop on my hand. I'm like, oh, that's wonderful. Oh, just my life, I guess. And then one person's telling me, blessed by the seagulls. No, the pigeon. Yeah. And I'm so disgusted. At the same time, I gotta, like, you know, wipe my bag, but I don't have any tissues. And like, I don't want to wipe it with my hand too, even if the bag is nice. Like, I'm not gonna do that. Like, I'm gonna throw up. And then, so, like, I had to walk for 5 minutes more to find a washroom, and then try to wipe it off. And then the whole rest of the 2 hours, I was just thinking to myself, oh, a bird pooped on me. Wow. Like, and then every time, like, I wash my hands like 3 times, and I put hand sanitizer, and I'm just walking around being really self-conscious of my hand, being, oh, a bird pooped on me. And my bag, oh, a bird pooped on me. Oh, pooped on my bag, more like. And I was a bit traumatized for, like, the trauma disappeared after like 3 to 4 hours. But I was, you know, understandably crashing out because, like, my hand, I had to walk 5 minutes with my hand, like, in the air, and my bag in poop, and people looked at my bag. Do you know how embarrassing that is? So yeah. And then, you know, like, I say, oh, did you know that a bird pooped on me? And then, you know, people try to make light of the situation and say, hey, you know, apparently, if a bird poops on you, that means it's really good luck. I'm like, no, that's for people who want to cope. It's definitely not good luck. It's just coping. It's not good luck at all.